everyone! Prestissima here. Today, we're going to learn a Greek folk song and dance called Lerikos, Eba Sto Caro. Let's have some fun! Okay, Lerikos, Eba Sto Caro. It says we're in the key of, blank minor today. Fun! And it's the relative minor of blank major. Remember, relative minors and majors have the same key signature. Okay, so let's look at the key signature. No sharps and no flats. So we know that's C major, and that's also A minor. Okay, A minor and C major. Very good. All right, our time signature is 4/4, meaning 4 beats per measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. And I'm going to jump right in and give you some tips. So let's start with our right hand. We're going to start on the C with our third finger, and we're starting right off with some eighth notes, right? So make sure you're subdividing in your head. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay. So all the fingers are pretty just 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to swing our one finger under. Okay, good. Then we're up to 2, 3, 2. Okay, then here we're going to go to 4, still natural. 4 and, okay, so the 4 and, now we're going to those dotted eighths with the 16ths. Remember, we're going to count those 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2. Oops, I should count in 4 there since we're in 4. So it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, right? And notice these are straight eighth notes and then the dotted ones, right? And notice here after the one finger, we're going to squish and play our 5 finger so we can keep going with the 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that was just straight up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? All right, let's keep going. Now, this looks very much like our first line, right? So I'm going to play the same fingerings. And I even put in a little reminder for myself so I can remember that this is going to be 1. We're going to cross that 1 under. So it's the same thing, the 3 finger, 1 and 2, and then this is tied this time. So remember here we played 1 and 2, 1, and we played it again, right, on beat 3. Here we're going to hold it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and, remember the one finger went under? Okay, now the notes are all the same here, but we have a variation, right? All of the rhythms are a little bit different. So these are all dotted eighths and 16ths. So 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Okay, so we did the same fingerings. Now we're going to end up with 1, and they're staccato, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's, I'm going to play 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. Very good. All right, let's keep going. Now, you're going to notice here that this is the exact same thing, but an octave down, right? So we're going to come down to the middle C now. So I put in a 3 finger because I want to play the same fingerings. Exactly the same, right? And then let's see. So those are the straight eighth notes. And then the dotted ones. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So remember, we go from the 5 to the 3 here, right? And then just straight up the scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next line. All right, same kind of pattern before. We're going to do the 3, 2, 1, and then we're going to tie that, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, and then we have that dotted rhythm again. 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Right? Very good. Now let's keep going. Now we're going to jump on up to our 3 finger on the A. Okay, now here you're going to want to count it out loud because this all seemed to move very quickly. And now it's going to seem to move a little bit slower, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And notice how we did a little 3 finger switch over, right? So 3 finger here, 2, 1, and then cross your 3 finger over. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 I'll just jump my hand on up. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So rest on beat 4. So it's nice to count out your 16ths here so you can play them correctly. Keep going. I'll do 1 E and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm just playing 1 and 5, right? 1 and 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. Okay, now we're going to play 3, 2, 1. Cross your forefinger over, okay, and then up to 5. So everything fits nice and easy there. Now, after the 1 finger there, you're going to do a little squeeze to play forefinger on the E. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. And then this is a dotted quarter rest. So this comes in on the and of 4. Should we count it? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Right? Good. And 1, so that's 2 on 2 finger. And 1, 2, and 3. Cross over your forefinger. 4. Now, this looks just like this line, right? So I wrote in the same fingering so I can remind myself. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Squeeze the forefinger. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and notice you're going to do a little bit of a stretch. You're not going to the 4, you're going to the 3 there. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and next page. I'll do 2 finger, 2, and to 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and little stretch to 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Notice how I changed to the 1 finger there and count all 4 beats. Then we're going to go up to G sharp with our 3 finger. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and G sharp, F, F, E. Okay, and I'm on 1 still. Now there's a quarter rest, so you're only going to play that for 3 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and off, right? Then we're going to come up to 1 finger on the D. So I like 1, 3, 5 there. I'll play 1 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and now I was on my 2 fingers, so I'm going to switch to my 1. Now why did we do that? We did that because we wanted to follow the same pattern, right? So we were at 1, 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, like we did here, and then here they went to 1 because they were going up to the G sharp. And so we'll do that, but also sometimes it's easier to pivot down from your 1 finger if you're going to go down, right? Look, got a lot more free moving action here. So I'll go ahead and switch to my 1 finger, play the 4 beats there, and then come on down to the G sharp with your 2 finger. 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'll play 1 and 5. There we go. All right, so that's just 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 4, 3, and then I'm going to jump down to 1 and 5. All right, that's it. Now we look at our left hand. All right, so this is a very fun oompa style, right? So you have the choice to see if you want to make it kind of separated, or you can make it a little bit more connected, more legato. It's up to you, but you can experiment and see how you like it. See what you like for the sound. Now, left hand, I'm just going to play 5 and then 1 and 3. Right? And then jump down. Yeah, for this, 5 and 1 and 3 is probably going to be the easiest all the way throughout. So just jump your hand when you need to. Back up, right? And then the same. Jump down. Okay, now, remember we jumped down an octave, right? So we're going to come down an octave. Same thing. Decide if you want to separate it or make it more connected. the jumping around, right? I'll do 5 and 1 for all of these. So I'll go 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1. Now you're gonna count, right? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now after this one, I'm gonna jump up to 1 on the A, 2 and 3, 4. Swing that one finger under. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then 1 again. Only for 2 beats, then we have a rest, right? Then we go back to our oompa pattern. Now, you're gonna play this with your right hand, so make sure you're counting, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and, right? Oops, that was up here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Down the octave. Now I'm going to jump my hand up. Back up here. Jump down. Okay, a little bit of separation again. Now, what do we have here? Oh, now we're going to play some 1 and 5 chords here. Some open fifths, right? And you can just jump your hand around. This is nice and easy. 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I'll play 3 finger here. 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3. Now you play this as slowly as you want to, of course. I'm just going through since they're all the same here. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and remember we did the 3 there, so I'm going to jump down, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, and then jump down. I'll go 5 finger. 1, these are the open fifths again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and that's the low A. All right, friends, looks good. All right, now this one is a song or a dance, so it doesn't really have any lyrics written in, and we also don't have any solfege written in. So let's focus on some of the dynamics. So it starts off here with mezzo forte in both hands, okay? Looking good. Oh, and now we have something a little different. Maybe piano for a couple of the iterations here. Then back to mezzo forte, maybe a little mezzo piano, and then some piano. Aha. Then we have a little crescendo into this part of the melody, into mezzo forte, and then a little bit more crescendo into a forte, and then eventually a diminuendo or a decrescendo down to mezzo piano, and then a little crescendo into mezzo forte, and then a crescendo and a diminuendo. Ooh, 2 together. So it gets louder and then it gets softer. Now, this is a dance. So you do whatever would be fun for you to dance to and for your family and friends. So you can experiment and you can play it really loud, and then maybe you want to play it really soft, and then you want to play it medium loud and medium soft, and then you want to get louder and then you want to get softer. Or you want to be very dramatic. It's all up to you. Just experiment and have fun. Now, I do see a couple of instructions down here, so I'm going to get my handy dandy pencil and my handy dandy eraser. It says to draw a circle around all the thirds within this piece. All pages. Whoa, there are so many thirds. Okay, well, we already know that most of this right hand is melody, so let's start. I know in the bass clef here, we have a bunch of circles, right? There's a third, 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 third. Oh my goodness, we're gonna go crazy! Thirds galore! Oh my goodness, so many. Okay, even more. And again, pretty much all the way through, right? Because the patterns keep repeating. Okay, and some more. Right? Uh-oh. That didn't look like a circle. Uh-oh. Okay. There we go. Thirds. Okay. Oh, we got a break from the thirds. Let's keep going here. Anything? No. Oh, back to some thirds with that oompa in the left hand. Oh, I almost circled that. Okay, those are not thirds, right? Next page. All right, these are not thirds. These were those open fifths we were talking about. No, 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 no more thirds. All right, hope I didn't miss any. Let's go back. Then it says draw a square around all the fifths within this piece. All right. Well, I know this was all thirds pretty much, but I'll just double check. Okay, if you see any that I missed, make sure you put a square around it. Let's see. Did I see any fifths yet? No, no. Oh, there's one. Almost missed you. Okay. Next. Uh-huh. Look at all of these open fifths. Uh-oh, this is looking more like a parallelogram. Well, I suppose a square is a parallelogram. These are all fifths, right? We have more? Oh, yes, we do. Uh-oh, my squares are starting to look grumpy. Okay, that looks good. Look at all the squares. Haha. Okay. Oh, there's another one. More, and more fifths. Okay, how about these guys? Are these are fifths too. Okay, how are your squares looking? Any more here? Uh-huh. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, any more? How about these guys? Yep. Definitely. Okay, these are also fifths. More boxes around fifths. How about these guys? Also fifths. More squares. More squares. Okay. Whew. Are we done with the squares for now? Let's see. Nope. Look, there's some more right here. Squares. Square. How about these guys? These are all the same, right? Square. 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 I feel like saying squirrel now. Squirrel. Okay. And there's one right there. Yay! Oh, wait, what's this one? Is that one? No, that's a sixth. Okay, we're done. Very good. So today we learned a Greek dance called Lerikos Eba Sto Caro in A minor. So keep practicing all your songs, sing while you play, and memorize everything. Prestissima out!